Here we have a Porsche Boxster, it's the 987, and what we're going to do is fit a Kenwood DMX 7722 DAB stereo, which is basically a wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, has Bluetooth, DAB, the steering wheel controls will still work, and he also wants a reverse camera, so we're going to be installing that to the vehicle. So at the moment it's just got its factory stereo, so if you have a look. So we're going to be changing that for the Kenwood stereo and, like I said, a reverse camera. So at the moment the reverse camera is going to go right here, just above the number plate. Right, it's all done. So let me show you the camera. You can see the camera's just there. It's a very small camera. Nice and neat. Now if you jump in on the passenger seat, we'll show you the stereo. So that's the Kenwood DMX 7722 DABs with the fascia panel in there. It's a nice fit. It looks pretty tidy. So we start it up. Now we've got a touchscreen stereo. It has DAB, has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, normal radio, Bluetooth audio as well. Steering wheel controls all still work. So if we go into DAB, you can see the volume still goes up and down with it. Now it's very easy to pair your phone up to it. Just go into home, go into telephone, go into telephone setting, go enter, you want to add a device. So all I have to do then is go into my Bluetooth settings, look for that stereo, and there's that one there. Go pair, allow, pair. So just all the authorizations, connect, yes. Just let it do its thing, and that's it. Now we are on Apple CarPlay, completely wireless. So it gives you all the functionality of typical Apple CarPlay. So it's all the apps that's licensed with Apple CarPlay will come up that I have. So if you've got Waze, you go into Waze, and then you could do all the searches there. So you don't have to, you do not touch your phone. You just do it all on there. If you want to use Google Maps, you can do, and that's Google Maps. And again, you could search, and then you could put in wherever your destination you want to put into. Music, I've got Spotify, so you have Spotify. Just play it, and it will just play, and it goes through the car speakers. And obviously we said we did the reverse camera, so go to reverse, and that gives you the reverse camera outside. So that's the Kenwood DMX 7722 DABs, and we installed it on this Porsche Boxster.